Alright, what's up, y'all? Back on this 2009 Altima, getting ready to put in a Sirius XM satellite radio. Just got started running the antenna. Let's see, it's this unit right here. It is the XM Onyx unit. Got all this stuff in here. I didn't do a video for the unboxing, but get it all figured out. Got my tool here. And what I've done was put the antenna right there in the middle of the roof in the rear of the vehicle. And this wire right now is running through the inseam of the window all the way down the side here. And what I done was just tucked it under there, and then I gave it a little tug right here. So there's where my wire ends up. And then you take the molding in the back of the window or trunk, take that up, just give it a little tug, and it'll come up. But I've got it back sealed down. But you see the wire goes up under there, and I took a little piece of black tape and taped it right here. Keep the wire from moving, too much. Moving a lot of vehicles in motion. And then up under here, I also put another piece of black tape. Let me go ahead and pull it up. Look right there, I put another piece of black tape right there with the wire, so the wire won't get cranked up and everything. You don't want to put too much tape and all that stuff right there, because then water ends up leaking into your trunk. That's what these sealers are made to do. I'm getting ready to run my wire. This antenna wire. Here's the end of it. I'm gonna run it through the ceiling, and I'll show you some of the pieces you can take off to do that. So I'm gonna go through the trunk, run it through the ceiling, and then right up front. All right. Okay. Done running the wire back behind this panel here, and then I'm gonna loop it around here. I'm gonna take this wire up through the ceiling all the way up to the front here by tucking it, and right there is where I took off the driver's side panel there, and then I'm gonna loop it down behind the instrument panel over into the behind the radio, then down below the console unit, behind where the climate control's at. It's a good place, and I'll show you where I'm going to mount this unit that I have. Got the radio took out, got my IU bus back there for the auxiliary. This cable here. And then when I plug up the the satellite radio, well, I've got a loop through there already, but I'll show you here in a little bit. But that cord, that bus, goes in down there on a Pioneer radio. And we'll set that back up. I'll show you again what that IU bus cord look like. Here's my mic when I talk on the phone. Yeah, so I'm basically running it in the same direction. And go ahead and run this antenna on up here. Okay, I ran the antenna wire and put all my paneling back in. I had to take this one off. Pop this little SRS curtain button out, and then there's a screw behind that. Right there. There's also one in the back too. Pop that out, and then you'll be able to access your headliner. A little crinkle in there. Get that out in a minute. See that? Yeah, gotta get that out. It's probably with a wire. Anyhow, got the antenna right there, and got my audio right here. All that's behind the radio. Whenever you take this radio out, let's see, let's close this up. That's my iPod. I got all of it all in there because I don't use that. Just store all my stuff in there. When you're pulling this radio out, there's a little piece that goes up under here. Here it is right here. This is what I'm going to mount my unit on. Here somewhere. Yeah, so whenever I'm looking at the unit, see, this will go up under there, and then it'll show kind of like that, like so. And everything else will plug up into the back of it, and the wires and everything will be concealed because it'll be behind there, coming up through this little opening here and to the back of the radio. So everything will be hidden, nothing will be showing, no wires. That'll still be able to close, and can't open it with this thing on there. But let's see, yeah, you'll be able to open it with it on there. Should be able to. So I'll make sure of that. That's where I'm going to mount it, and we'll see how that works. Alright, as you can see, I use my step bit. For those of you that don't know what a step bit is, it is this thing right here. Stepped it up one notch there, that first notch. And like I said, it's on a 2009 Altima, probably some of the other Altimas as well. The 8 and 7 possibly has this piece up under the climate controller. So I put bolts in there instead of screwing it in. That way, if I, gives it a lot more support. Put that in there, and it'll fit right up under there. Let's close this down. Put this on in. See how it fits in there. Hadn't tried to fit it in there yet. Not to even fit. Let me switch hands here. And get in these holes here. Works better with two hands, I'm here to tell you. There we go. Snaps in there. That's where the piece will go. Right there. Got our mount piece. Just blood down, put that on. Snaps on, turns up like that, and then our unit set in there like so, and that's where it'll be. Nice professional look right there. Let's get some power to it and see what it looks like. Alright, got it fitted back in there, got everything plugged up. That's how it looks on the far off. Look at that. Turn it that way, turn it that way, bend it down. There's our wires coming out the side here. When you lift it up, no wires. Alright, let's power this thing on. So radio, switch our source. Forgot I turned that off. Let's see here, I forgot. And I need to go to system and turn on my auxiliary. There we go. Now, go to auxiliary. Okay, auxiliary. Power it on. And we have power. Oh. Loading. Yeah. You get the idea. Works. Good to go. And that's it, my friend. So we'll sit here and play with this thing and get some sound coming out of it. Shoot, that's it. Peace out.